guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. Okay guys, the long wait is over. I'm so excited for this vlog because I'm gonna share you my new vlogging equipment upgrade. Charot. Okay guys, as we all knew, no, not you all knew, but my friends already knew that I'm planning to buy this, but I am I am planning this very long time ago. I need to save for this. I don't want to buy things that on the spot I will buy. I save for it and I buy for it. So thank you, YouTube. So thank you, YouTube. May konti tayong savings from that, and then binili ko siya, tapos dinagdagan ko na lang ng onte. Okay, so before anything else, so guys, mag-start na tayo. I don't want to make it so long for you, and I am planning to make my vlog is a kind of English challenge, and I will introduce my equipment to you guys. I will introduce my equipment to you guys in English version. Okay, no more so many hanash. Okay, guys, I'm gonna show you this one. Ta-da! Guess what is this? I've got it from Challenger, guys. So today I've just came from an off day. It's Real Time by Techno Marine. Anong oras na ba? So I don't know yet what time, but when I go up here, I don't guys, excuse me for my English, but this is a kind of English challenge. I want to deliver my vlog to you as an English version of my life. Okay. I don't care. I don't care. Care. Okay, guys. I'm gonna show you my trend. My 10. Okay, guys. Guess what? My GoPro Hero 8 vlog is here, guys. I think it's already 10 because bedtime reminder na. I have 10 o'clock for my bedtime. So, I have my GoPro 8 vlogs, guys. As I told you, as I promised you, I will deliver my vlog today as an English challenge for you all. And I bought it today. Like, the price is rice. It's $5.99 from Challenger, and it has a freebies, guys. The freebies is tripod sticks this tripod sticks, and then this rechargeable battery. I have this freebies completo, the plate of the frisbee. Choo! And then I have this cover. Yeah, that's it. And I have the memory of my GoPro. Okay, guys. And I have the receipt and no more. Okay, I want to show you all, everybody, for my unboxing. Okay, we're gonna unbox our GoPro today, guys. I'm gonna unbox my group. This is the frisbee plate. Choo! And this is a free. And I have this. You know what, guys? I haven't opened it yet because it is fresh from the farm, organic. I haven't opened this. All are still sealed and intact. So sabay-sabay. So we open it together. Okay, let's start. Let's start our open with close. Okay, but sorry for my English is broken. I don't mean to say the broken English with live streaming says. Okay, guys. But what is this? So very memorable. Cannot open with my arms. Oh. Wait, guys. I need to take some scissors for this. Alright. I cannot find any scissors, so I will open it with the ball pen. And if you can wait, just wait for me, guys. I will show you all my things. So excited for this. Oh, you know what? It seems like all your hardship at work is already paid off. All these things, okay? That is, it's so happiness in your heart. It's so happy. I feel so happy with this. I don't know how to say it in English, but I will try to make it better place in your heart. Okay. Yes. We're opening now the 3-way grip arm tripod. As I told you guys, I haven't opened it yet. It is fresh from the farm. I'll open it with you, in front of you. Okay, as I told you, there's still seal in it. This is a grip arm tripod, guys. Note, it can make it long. It can make longer and longer forevermore. Yeah, I believe I can fly. I believe I can fly. Yep. You. Woohoo. Yes, guys, this is the tripod itself. How to open it? Oh, so sorry. Wow. And GoPro is here, and it can make longer, guys. And there is the screw here. One screw in here. Yes. There's one screw in here. Take it. Let's take it. Okay. Let's take this and put it beside. So our tripod is here. How to operate it and make it longer. Make it longer. It says it can make longer. But anyways, we need to study hard first to know this one. Okay. So ouchie, it's like this only. And let's open another one, guys. Oh, I have this. I told you guys, I have this SanDisk. I have this SanDisk. Supposedly I have a bag, but they don't have a bag already. It's finished. It's already done, and then they gave me this this SanDisk, and then instead of bag, they gave me this 64 GB, and it costs $32, guys. And you know, guys, if you will buy, I told you, if you will buy this tripod itself only, it costs $120. So because I bought this GoPro, it's only 100, it's only free. And then this memory card, SD card, is 64 GB. With the price is 32, but it's only free. And then the cover, guys, I tell you, oh, it's like this. Okay. Yep, this is the cover, guys. And if you want, wow, this is the cover, the spare cover of my GoPro. And if you want to make it like a necklace, guys, I tell you, want to make it a necklace like this with the cover in here, is fine. Yeah. And then you don't need to put it back in your bag and take it out, put it in your bag, take it out. You just put it like a necklace in your neck, of course. Okay. Done. And this is also $30, guys. If you will buy it itself, it's $30. And then this rechargeable battery, if you will buy this, it is $30 as well. Let's open it. It's a long time. So I'm not too fond in gadgets, guys, but I think I need to buy it because it also can help me to improve my vlogging. This is one of the part of my vlogging improvement, charot, to improve my vlogging quality. Guys, in YouTube we can make our video, quality of our video, nice and shiny. And this is the battery. I don't care. Wow, this is the battery, guys. Yan na yung battery. Wala na ba? Tingnan natin baka meron pa. Wala na pala. And the last but not the least, okay, so guys, yung binayaran ko lang is etong $5.99. is Hero 8 block. Yes, etong $5.99, and all those accessories are free for this. So how to open this? How to open this? Orbs, how to open this? Okay. Of course, everybody is very excited, guys, if you have new things, right? So I think I deserve this. And guys, guess what? I am making an effort of my vlog, and I will make more effort for this. Okay, this is the box. So let's read the description. if you will allow me, I will, this is 12 megapixel, 4K 60, 1080p, 24, 240p with 8 times slow-mo, and then hyper smooth 2.0, time wrap 2.0, 1080p live streaming. Wow, live burst. Actually guys, I really don't know what I'm reading here, but I want to learn. I want to learn with you all. And then super photo plus HDR, and then raw, and then ano to? I don't know what's this. I don't know what's this. And then maybe this is what my friend Fiona Kubay told me, that you can ask them to shoot me, and then it will automatically shoot you. Okay. And then touch. I think this is the touch screen. It didn't say anything, but it for sure it is touch screen. And then 33 feet, 10 meters in the water, underwater. Okay. And then with GPS, guys. So it is all the features inside of this GoPro. Hyper stabilization, hyper smooth 2.0. Yeah. Wala ba tong manual? Tingnan natin. Guys, guys, sorry. Gimbality pengen, ano ba yun? Anong sabi? What did it says? Okay. It is the GoPro, the battery, and then I think this is the screw, and then the cable. Nothing's inside. And I give you see this, and pang thumbnail lang siya. Yes, that is all. And then you open it natin, guys. I want to open it. Of course, if you will tell me I am ignorant of this, yes. Yes, I am, because of course, I didn't. Wow. Wala na palang laman. Wala na pala itong laman, day. Uy, ay mayroon. The cable of this one, charge niya, and then battery again. And then, what is this? Guys, I don't know this. I don't know what's this. This one, I don't know, but and I didn't see any manual in here. I couldn't see the manual. No manual? Oh, here. I saw you and I got you here. It is very down below. How to remove it? Okay, guys. Okay, guys, this is just a kind of unboxing for you in front of you. So I will do the calculator for this. I will do the study of my vlogging. You're vlogging. Okay. Okay, guys, this is the gimbal itself, but I don't know how to remove it. Here, and put it back. Okay, it's here pala. Okay, it's here, and I will be back if I can remove it here. Okay. All right, I'm done. I already got it, guys. So this one is the other mounting niya, and then this is the mounting, and you can put it like that. And then I already put it inside the battery. Battery is in here, and the SD card is inside, and this is the shooter mode, and then this is the on off. Okay, and there's some sticker in front. Let's remove it. Yeah, I already remove it. The sticker I removed, and it looks like this, guys. Pwede kang makapagsalamin, di ba? Tingnan mo. Ayan. Hindi pa yan siya on. We'll on it. On. Yeah. Oh, yeah. So clear, babe. It's so clear. Really clear. And I can see it clearly. And let's set the language for it. Express English. Check. Legal stuff. Agree. And then capture the location where your videos and photos are taken on. And then install the GoPro app on your phone to finish setup. Leave your camera on and follow the app instruction. Okay. You're connecting your camera to GoPro app lets you easily transfer, edit, share your media. Continue. Okay. So guys, GoPro to my phone. I will install the app inside my phone so that we can start it.